A year ago, I was completely lost when it came to anatomy. My drawings were stiff, awkward, and far from the characters I wanted to create. But everything changed when I learned these 5 tips. If you're like me and dream of drawing amazing characters, like those in your favorite anime like One Piece and Dragon Ball, this is for you. Tip number 1. The first thing I didn't realize is that even the most stylized anime and manga artists start with the basics. They know how the human body works before breaking the rules. My advice? Practice drawing real-life models first. Use photos, attend figure drawing classes, or just observe people around you. Once you understand how the body truly moves and looks, you have the confidence to create characters with accurate proportions and believable poses. Tip number 2. This next tip, not the most exciting, but so important. Learn to break the human figure down in simple shapes, like spheres, cubes, and cylinders. Trust me, if you can make a cube look good, you can bring life to a figure. These shapes are the building blocks of anatomy, helping you understand form and perspective. Learning how to use them teaches you how to think in 3 dimensions and make your characters look solid and believable instead of flat. Tip number 3. Even when I started understanding muscles and anatomy, my drawing still felt stiff. The fix, gesture drawing. It's about capturing the flow and energy of a pose, not just the details. Practice quick sketches focusing on movement, rhythm, and life. Incorporate this into your daily practice, and I promise your characters will become more dynamic. Tip number 4. Great anatomy is made from the mix of curve and straight lines. So, especially when you draw males, don't be afraid to combine straight lines and curves to portray character. One mistake I used to make, trying to make everything curvy. While curves are important, the secret to great anatomy is balancing curves with straight lines. This is especially true when drawing male characters. Straight lines can add structure, strength, and a sense of stability to your figures, while curves add flow and flexibility. Experiment with combining the two to give your characters more personality and depth. It's all about contrast. Tip number 5. When I started studying anatomy, I got overwhelmed by the sheer amount of resources out there. YouTube tutorials, books, online posts. But a few books helped me a lot, like Anatomy for Sculptors, Artistic Anatomy, and Anatomy for the Artist by Sarah Simblett. In conclusion, improving at anatomy isn't easy. It takes time, patience, and a lot of trial and error. But if you stick with it and practice consistently, you'll see results faster than you think. And if you found it helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. See ya!